Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, today I'm going to be shooting this Zippo. This was a cheaper Zippo that I used for Zippo tricks for a long time, and the hinge started to get too loose for me to actually use it. All right, most times when I open and close this, it doesn't quite close all the way. It's got to kind of be pinched down. So I'm using this one as a sacrificial Zippo for this little project. All right, we're backed up to about 30 yards or so. I got Cristina ready to shoot this with the Cricket. So whenever you're ready, Cristina. 22 long rifle. Oh, you certainly hit it. All right, let's go find the thing. Let's see what we got. All right, bolt open.
Yep.
Rifle's all safe.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So here we go. I think it went flying like the flashlight. So I'm assuming it's going to be in the brush somewhere. And here's where it was. At least it's shiny. Should be able to find it here somewhere. Last time it took me a long time to find the flashlight, and that was shiny too. Oh, there it is. I see it. Whoa. Damn. What a shot. You can see where she hit it. Right here. And it dented in the whole front. Alright. Well, now I gotta find the lid.